Hello everyone, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this particular item is part of a Virgil Abloh spring and summer collection. So this was released, I believe, a month ago. I did pre-order this and I was allowed to place at least 4 pieces from that collection, and I took advantage of it. And now I am still waiting to fulfill the entire order. So I have ordered 4. 2 were fulfilled. So this is the second one. And I'm still waiting for the other 2. I am actually, I'm not keeping my hopes high to get all of them. But I don't know. It's just so hard dealing with pre-orders because you have already paid the item, and it is just a matter of waiting. So in this particular collection, they did not say to wait the waiting time. They did not say that you have to wait 15 business days. They said that there is no guarantee, and there's no they didn't give you a specific date for the fulfillment of the item. But anyway, I think and I believe that this collection is worth the wait. And now I am so thrilled that the second item arrived. I am so excited. I thought all of them are here, but apparently I only got the second item right here. So anyway, it came in with this little teeny tiny box, and I guess you guys already have an idea of what this is, and it is right here. And oh wow, the color, look at that. Oh wow, the color is stunning. Oh my gosh, I've never thought that I got this like at the end of this month. I was expecting for a lot more. That's because this collection actually fell on one of the highly sought after pieces from the Virgil Abloh collection. And oh my gosh, I just can't believe it, how beautiful the color. Oh my gosh. So this is the blue rose. So right here we have the pink color. And then at the bottom we have a blue color as well. Oh my gosh, they are, oh my, it's so beautiful guys in person. So let me just open it like that. Wow, so beautiful. Let me just take a moment to take a look at these beautiful colors right here. Oh my gosh, I love the color combination. The pink and the blue together are gorgeous. So this one is made up of the Tyrolean leather, which is, as you guys could see, the grain right here, it's so pronounced, it is so large, and that is the nature of a Tyrolean leather. And on top of that, it is really soft, very, very soft and supple. Oh my gosh, can you see that, how soft that is? Very, very soft. And also, another thing that I like about this is the attention of detail. I know that the wallet that I've got, it is a slim wallet that I got previously. It's more on a green color. And look at the stitching right there. The stitching on the pink side is pink. And on the blue side is also blue. How cool is that? Wow. So as you guys could see, the monogram debossing right there, like I've mentioned in my previous video, that it is so deep and so pronounced that you could literally feel the ridge of it. And that is a great thing. Right there. Oh my gosh, the color actually changes if you keep see that against the light, if you keep moving it. Wow, it's so beautiful. At the back as well. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, this one is actually lined with a smooth cowhide leather. So this one is smooth right here, and this one is green. You see the difference? And we have 3 card slots on this corner, and this part right here that has a V. Hold on. Yeah, this one is formed as a V right there. I mean, look at that, guys. This one is in a different shape right here, and this one is a card slot as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slot on this corner, and on this side we have 1, 2, 3 card slots, and also there is a pocket on this side as well. So basically, how many card slots do we have? So we have 3, 4, 5 on this corner, and then we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 8. So there were 8 card slots on the inside. So yeah, you could, let me just show you, give you, so this is a, let's just assume this is a card, credit card right there. Okay, so on this side, I mean, this one is still really tight because it's brand new right there. And then on this corner, it is a card slot right here as well. Really lovely. And then on the other side as well. And then both sides and the corner as well. So, wow, that is amazing. I didn't expect that this could actually fit 8 cards. So anyway, it says here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And it says right there, there is a stamping, because as you guys have noticed, there is they actually stamp it with this collection. If you see something like this, or if you purchase something that is part of the runway collection, you would see the additional stamping, which says Vuitton, which means it is part of the men's fashion show. And it's at the bottom side of it, it says Pronto-Été 2022. So it's part of the spring and summer of 2022. It has a gold foil. No, this is not gold, sorry. It has a silver foil in it. I'm so used to gold foil. Oh my gosh. But I know this is this is a men's collection, so obviously it is silver. I apologize. The inside stitching is actually in blue as well. Very lovely. It's tonal stitching. I love it. Definitely love this piece. The inside is very soft. It is very soft and supple. Oh my gosh. It is extremely soft. Okay, let's take a look at outside right here. It has a glazing, a black glazing on the corner right there. And top of that, I forgot, there's another card slot at the back as well, right here. So where is the product code for this? Hold on a second, guys. Let me look at, maybe they hide it somewhere usually. Okay, here it is. They're hiding it from me. So if you're interested, here's the product code. It's M81244. Yeah, this is just a textile and beautiful. Definitely love it. I am so in love with this collection, guys. And I don't even know when are those 2 items arrived. I think it's worth the wait. I'm not sure, but it's just, the thing is, like, when you order something and it's like a little over a month, it's just I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to wait for it or just cancel it and move on. But regardless, this particular collection is awesome. Beautiful. The craftsmanship so far, the material that they use, the color, and the pricing is actually pretty good. It's not bad at all. And of course, I got this before the price increase. Just before the price increase. That's a great thing. So yeah, I will highly recommend this pocket organizer. It is so beautiful, really supple, really soft. The Tyrolean leather is absolutely amazing, and it could fit 9 cards. Okay, just 9 cards, 9 card slots. Just a single card, not to double it, just to protect the card slots right there. So yeah, I would highly recommend this pocket organizer. And thank you guys for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.